Okay, so hello guys, welcome back to the new video. In this video, I will show you how you can install our template kits which you buy from our website. So for importing that kit, I have this old kit here. So it is the built-in construction site. Also, let me show what are the themes and the plugin which we required for making this. So here, let's go to the themes, and the themes we are going to use is the official Elementor theme, Hello Elementor theme. And let's go to the plugins option, and the plugin which we're going to use is the Elementor and its Pro version. Okay, so after that, what are the steps required for importing this kit? So suppose you have this zip file, so you have to extract this zip file first. So let's extract this zip file. Okay, so then after that you will have this folder, then go inside this folder again, and inside this you will find these two files. Okay, so this is the JSON template and this is the main kit. Okay, so first we have to import the main kit. Okay, so let's go to the import file, let's go to the tools option, and from here we have to go to the website template, and here you will find apply to website template. Okay, then after that we have to have this option. Now we have to go to backend, and here we have to upload this kit. Okay, so it will have this. Now let's click import and apply. Then after that you will see that after some time, if you buy our old kit, you will see that we are facing some error. Okay, so after that error, many people are not able to import this kit. So let's try this again. You have to try this one or two times, and after that let's try to import it again. Okay, let's try to import that again. And after that, you will see it is saying import run error. Okay, then after that, what you have to do, you have to just close this from here. Okay, then after that, you have to just go to the pages option, and here you have to add a new page. Okay, you have to add a new page. Then after that, you have to go to the save templates, and here you will find one option import template. Then you have to click on the import template. Then here you will find a choose file. Then you will find in the folder that I have given you JSON templates also. So here you will see we have the build sync footer, header, and home. So first we have to import the home. So let's go to this, and here we have to drag and drop this and import. And here can see and discontinue. Then after that, enable and import. So after that, you will see that this will be imported here. We have the build sync home. Then again, you can see we have the header and footer both here. But let's try to import it again because sometimes it has the error. So let's import the build sync header from here, and we have to import this. Let's import now. So it will import the header also. And similarly, you have to import the footer. So let's import the footer, and let's go to this, and here we will import this footer. Okay, so after that you can see we have the footer, header, and home. Then after that we have to go to the pages option, and here you have to just open this with Elementor. Okay, let's open this with Elementor. Also, I will give all the images in the video description, so you can check it out from there. So you can see we are on the home page. Suppose you want to, now we have to import the home page first. So you have to just go to the save templates, go to the templates option. So here you will find we have the build sync home. Just click on insert. So apply. So after that, in some time you will see that our template kit will be imported here. So you have to wait for some minutes. So you can see we have this image, means the full kit is imported, and it will load again. So let's wait for it. Okay, so you have to try this option only if if you install this kit and it will fail, and after that you have to import this by using the JSON template. Okay, so you can see we have imported that option, and here you have to just only replace the images and all the icons. I will give you in the video description, so you have to check out from there. You will find all the assets which are required in this kit. Okay, you have to just import this one by one by clicking on this, and okay, now let's publish this. Let's publish this, and after that let's open this, and let's see. Okay, then after that we have to just view this here. Okay, so you can see we have this now. So right now you can see we have this all kit ready and imported. So you have to check this. We have the page layout, so we can choose the Elementor full width. Okay, and here you will find. Let's see. Wait for it. So you can see this is loaded. Now we have to go this and we have to publish this. Okay, let's see. So it will load some time at start. So you have to just wait for it. Okay, so now let's go here and we have to refresh this. And after refreshing, you can see that we have this ready. Now our header and footer is left. So for importing the header and footer, we have to go to the theme builder. Let's go to the theme builder. And here you will see we have the header and footer. So let's first go to the header part. And here you will see we have the so much header because this header already installed when we try to import. So you have to just remove the one which don't have any view. Like here you can see we have the preview. So this is the valid one and you have to just remove the unnecessary one. Okay, let's remove this. Okay, so these are all removed. You can will find this option edit conditions and here you will find the entire site condition. Okay, then after that let's try to refresh it again. So you can see we have the built-in header at the top and you have to just edit this from here. Okay, now let's see we have the footer or not. So footer is also pending. So in the similar manner we can go to the footer and here you will find a preview of the footer. So this footer is valid and rest we have to remove. So let's click on the trash. Okay, so this is the valid one. Just go to edit condition, add condition, entire site and save and close. Then after that let's refresh. And after refreshing, if I go below, you can see we have the footer also. Okay, then after that you have to just import all of these assets one by one and your website kit will be live soon. Okay, so in this way you can import our website kit if you face any issue while importing the old kits. So this is only happening with the kits which are made using the old version of the Elementor. Okay, so I hope you understand how you can import this type of kits. If you face any issues, please mail us here. The email ID is in the video description. Okay, so we will and our team will help you for importing this kit. I hope you understand how to import this kit. Okay, if you are new to our channel, like, share our video with friends, subscribe to the channel. I will see you next time.